Hello, I'm Justin Mitchell, and I'm the founder of Coding for Entrepreneurs. Now, I'm a little bit obsessed with deploying software, and the reason is, well, deployed software is how you bring value to others. And of course, once you actually deploy your software, you sort of get addicted to it and you want to continue to do it, or at least that's the hope. So the big question that I want to answer with my book, Road to Kubernetes, is should we use Kubernetes as our deployment option? Now, this journey I want to take you on will take you through multiple deployment options while ultimately ending up with Kubernetes and things like it. Now, if you've never heard of Kubernetes before, this is a great book for you because it's going to really start from the foundations of deploying software in the ways that it used to be done, and then leading up to using containers like Docker and then also Kubernetes. So there's a lot to it, and I can't wait to show it to you. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to chatting with you soon.